Welcome back to 1 Meter Building. Today, we are witnessing a construction project that absolutely defies every expectation. Forget simple pools. We are diving into an entire underground aquatic complex. Our builder is undertaking a monumental task, crafting a subterranean temple-style swimming pool, connected by a massive, fully functional water slide, carved through a long tunnel system. This isn't just DIY. This is next-level multi-phase structural engineering. We're going to break down the sheer scale, the complexity of the excavation, and the intricate masonry work required to stabilize these deep earthen caverns. Let's dig in. The project kicks off with the main pool structure. Notice the initial precision in marking the footprint. This area is the entry point, the first of many deep pits. We are moving incredible amounts of earth using only basic hand tools, shovels, picks, and wheelbarrows. The effort required just for this initial volume is immense. The builders must work quickly but safely, constantly monitoring the stability of the raw earthen walls. This open pit will eventually house the start of the water slide and the crucial access point to the main tunnel. The sheer depth of this excavation sets the stage for the complexity to come. With the main pool excavation underway, attention shifts to the most challenging phase, the tunnel bore. Starting from one wall of the main pit, the builder meticulously carves out the dark openings. This requires immense physical stamina and a strategic approach. Tunnels demand careful planning, as every scoop of dirt risks a structural collapse. The builder is focusing on an arched top, the strongest shape in construction even in the raw earth. This preliminary arch is vital for distributing the overhead load and ensuring the integrity of the passage as the work progresses deeper underground. As the tunnel extends, the need for permanent structural integrity becomes paramount. The builder begins hauling large stones and brick-making materials down into the pit. A mixture of concrete and mortar is prepared on site. The masonry work is detailed, using rough-cut stone and a simple mortar mix to reinforce the perimeter of the initial pool. This is a crucial hybrid approach, using the natural earth for support while cladding the high-risk zones with durable stone and mortar to prevent erosion and stabilize the high walls before the final pour. Now we transition to the actual tunnel support. Every single brick must be manually hauled in and placed. The builder meticulously lays rows of brick, creating a uniform, strong archway that will bear the full weight of the earth above. This is slow, precision work. The angle of each brick is critical to the strength of the arch, demonstrating the timeless effectiveness of masonry. Once the arch is complete, the void between the brick and the raw earth is packed tight to ensure full structural contact and zero movement tar. Crucial process called backfilling. The tunnel extends, segment by segment, deeper into the earth. With each meter of excavation, the brick lining follows immediately behind, providing instant, permanent support. The builder utilizes simple, temporary wooden formwork to maintain the perfect semicircular shape of the arch while the mortar sets. This careful balance of excavation and construction is what prevents disaster. The scale of this single deep tunnel is incredible. It is a long, dark corridor leading to the temple destination. The construction pace is relentless, showcasing extreme commitment to this monumental underground passage. The next incredible challenge, forming the water slide. This is not a straight tunnel. It must have a curved, inclined profile for a smooth, fast ride. The builder starts by pouring a reinforced concrete slab to form the base of the slide. Then, temporary wooden ribs and formwork are constructed to define the perfect parabolic curve of the slide walls. This level of custom formwork is demanding. The slide must be consistent in width and height, and must have precise banking to keep riders secure. The smooth curved shape is essential for water flow dynamics and safety. With the formwork complete, the concrete mix is prepared and manually carried along the tunnel length. The builder carefully casts the concrete into the slide's walls, ensuring a dense, void-free finish. This process of pouring and smoothing the concrete requires speed and skill before the material sets. Once cured, this will be a permanent, rigid structure ready for the finishing coats. Meanwhile, the work at the far end of the tunnel, the second underground chamber, the temple pool, is beginning to take shape. The final destination of the slide is revealed, a vast, deeper pit requiring even more specialized structural work. This second chamber is significantly larger, a true subterranean cavern. The builder is shaping the walls into a more formal, almost monolithic temple style. This space will feature multiple levels and architectural details. Again, the walls are stabilized with intricate stone and brick masonry. Large, flat stones are carefully laid to form the future floor and steps of the temple pool. This meticulous stone fitting is an homage to ancient building techniques, creating a stunning, durable environment that echoes historical architecture. The sheer volume of stone used in this underground room alone is staggering. The temple aesthetic is enhanced by the construction of vertical columns and buttresses. These structural elements are built up using precise brick and mortar, giving the chamber a grand ceremonial feel. The builder constructs small, arched niches and alcoves into the walls. These features not only add visual interest, but also reinforce the earthen structure behind them. It's a highly skilled blend of art and engineering. The lighting in this final chamber will be critical, relying entirely on the tunnel opening and any constructed shafts. The feeling of being in a rediscovered ancient ruin is becoming very real. Returning to the waterslide, the concrete surface needs absolute perfection. The builder applies a final, smooth cement screed, meticulously troweling every inch of the path. This super smooth finish is essential for minimizing friction and maximizing the fun of the slide. Any imperfection could impede the water flow or cause an uncomfortable ride. The entire tunnel floor is also finished with stone steps, creating a safe walkway for access and maintenance alongside the slide channel. The commitment to a professional, high-quality surface on the slide is evident. Back in the temple pool, the floor construction is finalized. The base is leveled with sand and gravel, and then covered with large, flat stones. The builder carefully engineers a slight slope towards a drainage outlet. This system is vital for water circulation and cleaning, managing the vast volume of water this complex will hold. The edges of the pool are lined with a thick, smooth concrete border, defining the water line and providing a clean, durable lip. The entire floor is built to withstand the immense pressure of thousands of gallons of water above it. The walls of the temple pool are built up to their final height. The upper sections feature elaborate, recurring arched motifs, created using temporary wooden arch forms. This repetition gives the chamber its distinct temple aesthetic. Each arch is built with individual bricks, mortared in place, and left to cure. The structural purpose is clear. These walls must hold back the surrounding earth and contain the pool water. The precision of the bricklaying at this scale, deep underground, is astounding. We are seeing a true masterpiece of load-bearing masonry. A crucial step follows: waterproofing. The builder applies a thick, specialized concrete or sealant to the entire interior surface of the temple pool. This is the insurance layer, ensuring the pool is completely watertight and that no leakage destabilizes the surrounding earth. This is a modern solution applied to a primitive setting, showcasing a practical approach to construction. The entire process of sealing the joints and surfaces is slow and methodical. The chamber is now a solid, structural concrete vessel, ready to hold water. The builder also installs stone coping around the pool's edge, providing a comfortable lip for swimmers. Small niches are prepared to hold lighting elements essential for turning this dark cavern into a vibrant, usable space. The entrance to the slide is carefully integrated into the upper wall of the temple pool, ensuring a seamless transition and exit. Back at the main open-air pool, the structural work is complete. The builder starts the monumental task of filling the complex with water. The sight of the water cascading into the main pool and beginning to fill the tunnel system is the ultimate reward. This is the moment of truth for the tunnel's waterproofing and the stability of the entire system. As the water level rises, the pressure test begins. The entire area transforms immediately from a muddy construction site into a clean, aquatic environment. The transition is stunning. The pool is ready for its final purpose. The main pool serves as a perfect entry point, a sunlit contrast to the dark, cool temple pool below. The system is fully operational, a stunning example of construction persistence. The moment everyone has been waiting for, the slide test. With the water flowing, the builder takes the inaugural ride down the long, curving tunnel. The dynamic test proves the structural engineering and the smooth finishing were successful. The ride is fast, smooth, and fun, delivering the builder directly into the cool, deep waters of the temple pool. This confirms the geometry and the hydraulic design are sound. It is a fantastic payoff for the hundreds of hours spent carving the tunnel and perfecting the concrete formwork. We now fully appreciate the final temple pool. Filled with water, the structure is magnificent. The arched walls, the stone steps, and the deep, clean water create an atmosphere of tranquility and ancient grandeur. The lighting installed transforms the space, highlighting the texture of the stone and the reflection off the water. The sheer scale of this underground chamber is overwhelming. It is not just a pool. It's a fully functional, architecturally stunning retreat, built entirely by hand. The effort to haul the materials and construct this masterpiece is truly unparalleled. And there you have it, 1M building crew, an absolute engineering marvel. From deep earth excavation to flawless brick archways and a perfectly formed waterslide, this build is a true testament to structural mastery and commitment. This project demonstrates that with enough willpower and a solid plan, even the most ambitious visions can be achieved with basic tools. If you were blown away by the scale of this underground temple pool, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments what was the most impressive structural feat in this entire build. And be sure to subscribe to 1 Meter Building for more extreme engineering breakdowns. We'll see you on the next project.